Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me? Right. Can you hear me? Hello. Martha, can you hear me? Right. You can see here that we have discussed already there. If I want to add new properties to constant, we cannot do that one there, right? If you want to change properties there, okay. If you want to do change properties there, we can change it. But if you want to add a new properties there, that we cannot do that. Right? Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. No problem. Okay. What I started there in the last session, if I want to add new properties to, the constant, right? That we cannot do that one there. If you want to do changes in the properties there, we can do it. Okay, let me create here. See that I'm creating a constant. I'm taking one object here, this employee, constant employee equals to what we can do, create an object here. This I'm taking the object name as, for example, name. Object name is employee there, and the one other property I'm taking here, like what you can take it here, Kishore. Okay. Here I'm writing like document dot right. For example, I'm writing like this document dot employee dot name. I'm writing it here. Look at this. Employee dot the property I'm taking here is okay. Okay. If I execute this one there, execute it once. See that you are going to get here is if I execute this one, you're getting there, right? But it is a declaration of the object you are taking in this. Here in this one, in this situation, my requirement is there. I want to add the new properties. If you want to change that property there, what will happen there? We are going to do it here. If you want to change the properties, you can change it here. Suppose a new property, just like this name, I want to add the new property there. Okay, whether we can do this or not, we need to check it here. For example, I'm taking that. Look at here. It is Kishore we have entered there. Let me do this. Employee dot again name I'm taking there. Employee dot name. I'm trying to change it here. I'm going to do it here. So look at that. See this one? What I'm doing there? What I'm trying to do there here?
You added a name again.
No, I'm doing the changes for my.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm doing the changes there here, right?
You added that.
Okay. Yes. If you want to do changes for these properties there, first Kishore we have taken, and for these properties I'm changing there here like this. Yes. Okay, you can run it here. Run this one. Run this one. Run this. Run this with here. Take this and run this. Click on that. Are we going to do the changes or not here?
Yes.
We can do. Okay. If you want to do the changes there, we can do it here. That is possible there. Okay. But I'm trying to add here this. I'm trying to add the new properties there. Whether we can do it or not, I'm getting it here. What we can write here is one sentence you can write here is that if you want, you can say if you want to change properties, we can do that. Okay, we can say like that. We can do that. That's okay. If you want to add the new properties there, here. If you want to change properties, we can do that. That's okay. From this one, you got it here. From this one, you got it here. Okay. Suppose if I want to add the new properties there here. Okay, let me add the new properties. I'm going to add the properties like this. Let me take here constant employee object equals to name Kishore. I'm doing there. Here I'm trying to change it. I'm trying to change there. Here what can say employee equals to what I'm trying to there here. Look at this. Employee equals to I'm changing the properties there like a name. Name will be like you can say Kishore, and here the new property I'm adding there. Okay, comma age 38. I'm taking like this, means a new property is added there. Yes. Okay, new property is added. Look at that. If I add the new property there, what will happen there? See this one. You can see. Go to the inspect element. Okay, and console. Okay, check it here. Execute it. Good. See that assignment to constant variables happened there, right? But that's the error we are getting there here. Means what can do if I execute this here, we are not getting the error there. Sorry, if I execute this, it's not showing the output there, but it's going to throw the error here. On what type error the assignment to constant variables happened. But means if I want to add new properties to constant, we cannot do this one. Means it is not possible there. Okay, that is the meaning of it. We are unable to execute this one there. Next, you can write here this. If I want to add new properties there here. New properties, we cannot do that one. Do that. Okay. It is about okay. It is about constants. That's okay. Did you understand this, Manasa?
Yes, I understand.
Right. Good. Global variables. Now we can take that global variable declaration or global scope. Simply we can say that. What's the global scope? We are going to discuss that global scope. Okay. Try to understand global scope properly, right? Suppose look at here. If I declare variable outside of the function, if I declare inside, not inside there, I'm going to write one function there. Outside of the function, on top of the function or outside of the function. Okay, that variable can be used outside of the function and inside the function. Okay, right? If I declare any variable outside of the function, that variable can be used outside of the function and inside of the function there. If you want, you can write a statement. If I declare
inside also this global.
Yes. If I declare variable, okay, outside of the function, right? That variable can be used outside of function and inside of function there. How it is possible? We can see it here. Okay, how it is possible. Let me go for first using the outside of the function. We can declare one function here. Look at that. I'm writing function first. Function name is my function. I'm taking here my function. Parameters open and closing curly braces. Okay, and here outside of the function. I'm using it here outside the function there, like where x equals to 10. I'm writing right here. Look at that. Okay, I have declared the where outside of the function there. Okay, and what is our what we can do that one there by using this one there? We can use this where inside the function here and outside the functions we can use it here. That's a requirement. First, let me take it from the outside there. I'm writing here the document document dot write. I'm using the document dot write of x. I'm using there. I'm using outside of the function there. Look at that. Click on this. Click on this. Okay. So can we use it outside of the function or not?
Yes.
Yes, we can use it here. This. Okay. So outside of the function we can use it. No doubt. Okay. Copy it. Okay. We can use outside of the function. Outside of the function. What about the inside of the function? Okay. For example, where x equal to 20, I'm taking the here. Okay, and I'm writing here the same thing. Look at here this inside of the function. It is inside of the function there. Okay, it is inside of the function. But inside of the function means you have to call that function name here. You're taking that. Look at that. You're going to call that. Got it? Look at here this. I'm calling inside of the function there here. Look at that. What we are getting there. See this? Are you getting the result or not?
Yes.
Means inside of the function we can use it here. Outside of the function also we can use it here. That's the meaning of it. Okay. Right. We can use inside of function there. That's the meaning of it. Okay. Right. Outside of the function we can use it here. For example. Okay. This one is the global variable. You can write here. This one is the global variable there here. Okay. This one is a variable there. And let me take it here. I said already there. We have taken here inside. Let me take it from the outside also there here for this one. Okay, outside. See both is possible or not. I can check it here. This. Both are possible or not?
Yeah, possible.
Yeah, both are possible there here. This. We can call inside and outside of the function there. Okay, both are possible. Possible there here. Both are. We can call inside and outside of the function there. That's the meaning of this. Okay. Suppose one more thing is there. If I declare a var as a local variable inside the function, okay, global variable, global scope that you have written, that you have seen there here. That's a global scope there. Inside of the function, outside of the function there. If I declare var as a local variable inside of the function, right? Right? Suppose what happened? We can see that here this. We have the function where x equals to 20, for example, it's a global variable. It is a global variable, right? And it is a global variable. Let me declare local variable also here inside of the function. I'm using like this. See this one. What is that? Where y equals to, I'm writing the 30. Where x equals to 20 and where y equals to, where x equals to 20 is the global variable. And where y equals to 30 is the local variable there. It's a local variable. Okay, man. Now I'm writing it here. This. Okay. I'm writing here the document right inside the function. Okay. And outside of the function document right, I'm using this. Okay. So finally, what we are getting, we can see that. Okay. Generally, local variables we cannot use. We cannot use outside of the function there. We cannot use outside of the function either. Suppose I'm using like this. Control X, accept here. Okay, see this. We need to get a generally click on this output. You can find it here. See this one there. What you understand?
Yeah.
Where y equals to 30, local variable there here, right? Where y equals to 30, we are getting there here, and it is a global variable. It is a local variable there, right? And what I said here, if I declare where as a local variable inside the function, it is inside the function there here. Okay. So
Executed
yes, I'm getting that.
globally.
I'm coming there here. I'm coming to the point, and what I'm trying to do is there. We are going to write like this. X and Y both we need to get here this. That's why I'm using here some space for it. Okay. And after that plus y I'm using it here. If I use like this, okay, see that click on that execute. See that it is a local variable that can be called. Is it calling or not?
Yes.
Inside the function only there. The same thing that I'm trying to use it outside of the function there. Outside of the function. Execute it. Okay. Execute it. See that? What you get in that? Y is not defined. Can you find that error here?
Yeah.
Y is not defined there here. Means error we get there here. This error we are getting there. It's showing the error. Y is not declared. Showing that Y is not declared. Okay. Okay. If you call only inside the function, no error. That we get there here. This. If we call outside the function, there we are getting the error. There we are getting the error here. This.
Yes.
Right? That is the meaning of it here. This. You can take that. This one. Inside function and outside function there. Got it? What you can say? Write one line there. If you call inside function, okay, no error we're getting there. No error we're getting, no error there here.
Outside,
If we
it's
call,
showing.
yes, if we call outside function, then we are getting the error here. Okay, we get the error there here. That's the meaning of it. Try to understand properly. Okay, that's the meaning of it. This. Okay. See, man, in case of only let as a global variable there.
Yeah.
Only I'm taking about the let. It's a var there here. What happened? Var as a global variable we have seen already there. In case of let as a global variable, what happened there? Okay, we can see, for example, I'm writing here let x equals to 20. I'm taking there here. Okay, that has 20 there, and I'm writing here function. Function name is my function there here. Parameters, and we can see that open and closing parallel places. Okay, well, let x equals 20. Function my function. I'm taking here this. There I'm using it here as a document dot write document dot write. Okay, of x I'm taking the here this x plus some space I'm going to provide like this. Okay. In case of only let global variable there here. See this, I'm going to call it here this inside the function. I declared the let as a global, but I'm calling from the inside of the function there here. Look at that. Look at that. Click on this. What are you getting that error? Okay. Are you getting any error here?
Yeah. Actually, don't have that error.
Function y function document dot right. I'm using it here. This like
After function, we call function again.
Function we have to call it here. I forget to see. Right. Look at here this. I'm going to call it here this. Now you can see. Is it calling the locally or not? Locally is calling there here. Okay. If I call if I call outside of the function there here. Look at that. Okay. Did you understand what happened here? We can call it here outside the function. For the let and where we can call inside the function and
outside
the function. Both are possible there. So let variable can be called from inside the function and outside the function. So global variable is same for both where and let and calling the functions. Okay. What I said here is global variables are same for both let and where, for both let and where there, because we can call inside the function or outside the function, both we can call it here. This that is the meaning of it here. Okay, you can see that. Right. We can say let variable can be called from inside function and outside function there. Outside function, right? Let variable, let a global variable. Let a global variable is a let a global variable. Okay. Let a global variable is same for sorry, global variable, okay, global variable same for both let and where there is. That's meaning of it. You can take it. You can see that. That's an example. You can find it here. Okay. Output, we are getting the output as a 20 here. That's the meaning of it. That's all. We are going to use it in this. Now we need to come to one conclusion there here. If it is a where, what is the where here is? Where can be, what is it? It's a local variable there. Right? Local variable within the function, we can call it here. And if you come to where, it is about the local variable. If it is a where is a global variable there here. Are you getting anywhere in the function we can use it here? Anywhere in the function we can use it here. That's all. Let me take the let. Let is a, if let is a local variable there here. Right? Within that block one, it can work here. This. Okay, it works within that block. All right, you can say it works within the block. Okay, and if a let is, if the let is a global variable there. Global variable there. Okay, anywhere we can use it here. This what I said. Anywhere we can use it here. Okay, I want to get some confirmation. Did you understand fully what the meaning of the let, where, constant variables?
Yeah.
Master, are you sure?
Yes.
It's a full length information about the let, where, and constant variables here, right? Now, okay, another topic is there here in our when we go for writing this LWC components, okay, we have concept called string interpolations there. Okay, string interpolation there. What is a string interpolation?
String
Okay.
mix words.
Yes. String interpolation, I think it is a process, like a process of embedding. Embedding means we are adding there. Okay, it's a process of embedding variables, or you can take the expressions within a string letters there. Okay, within a string letters. Right? We can embed. I'm sorry. We can embed the variables, or we can embed the expression within the string letters. Within the string, I'm going to write here there. That's the meaning of the string interpolation there. Right? You can take any variable there, or you can take any expression there. That variable or expression, okay, we are going to embed within a string. We are going to add within a string. Are you getting or not? That's the meaning of the string interpolations. Okay, you can take any variable there here. Any variable, or you can take any expression there. Okay, a plus b is one expression, right? Like that. Those things are the variables. Variables means where x equals to, where y equals to. Those are the variables there. So expressions are variables that we can embed, okay, inside a string letters there. That is nothing more.
Coordinate the both.
Yeah, concatenation, the old method actually there. Okay.
Yeah.
In the string interpolation, we have the two methods are there. Two ways are there here, right? First way is the template literal, or template string we used to call. The second is the concatenation. Concatenation we used to use in JavaScript over there. JavaScript, right? But if you come to ECMAScript 6, we are using is template letters. Template letters are the template string we are going to use there here. One is the concatenation, another is the template literal or the template string there. Template concatenation means a old one there here, and the latest one is there. Okay, template string. These two we are going to use it here. This we can also call that template string as a template literal. So in this string interpolation, we need to discuss about the template string there, how we are going to use in the ECMAScript. Very aspect there. Okay, see that variable or expression that in embed, we can embed inside string literals there. The string. Okay, in this one, what we are going to see here, template literal. I'm going to use it, right? The concept name is there, template literal or template string. Got it? What is that? Okay, what is that? How we are going to use it here. Okay, man? See, there's no rule that we need to use only this reply interface to execute your Java program there. We have the other ways also there. We can see the playground also there here. You can see playground. See that playcode.io is there. That also you can use it here. This one you can use it here. That one you can use it here. Many are there. Okay, online those are available there here if you want to use it. Different ways that you can if you want to use good there. Very simple to use it. Okay, we can see there we are writing the code, and below we can get the result here. That also you can use it here, right? And look at here this. I'm trying to write a template. Template letters means what? Template letters means here, or template string means. Okay, we are means this one is going to introduce by the ECMAScript man. ECMAScript 6 is introduced there. Earlier to this, it is not there. Okay, see that concatenation is there, but template literals are not there here. This why I'm saying is here. Look at that. If you want to define in the JavaScript 6, okay, the template string or template literal, if you want to define here, Generally, in the old script means in the JavaScript, if you want to write the console statements or console.log statement, if you want to write here, means we can say a documented write. Okay, if you want to write it here, how we can use it here is generally within the single quotes we are going to use it. Is it right or not? Am I
Yes.
going to use it in the single quotes or not? You can see that. Okay. Within the single quotes, if you want to write any string there within the single quotes, you can write here generally. But here, when you come to ECMAScript 6, right? When you go for the ECMAScript 6, if you want to define or if you want to write a template string, that is template string we are going to use with the backticks. Do you know the backticks or not?
No.
Backticks. Okay, backticks is nothing but on a symbol there. Means what we can say. One type of operator we can use it here. It's like you can see, you can in your laptop check with the escape button. Can you find the escape button?
Yes.
Okay, below that escape button we have one more button is there here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that button contains one zigzag symbol there, right?
Yeah.
Below that symbol is there, that is a backtick. Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay, that is a backtick. Backticks we are going to use there. But in the JavaScript single quotes we are going to use there here, that you want to define anything there, right? So backticks we are going to use there here. That is the meaning of it. Backticks like this. See this one? See, one backtick and second backtick there. Within this, we are going to use it here. This. Okay, in the template string or the template literal in the ECMAScript, it is used for the string interpolation there here. Inside that for this string interpolation, one concept is there, template literal, right, or template string. Okay, that we are going to perform by using the backticks, right? Example, we will see. First, we will discuss about the traditional way also we will discuss there, as well as by using the backticks also we will discuss there how we are going to use there. Okay. For example, I'm writing here first. I'm taking the constant here. This constant object image there, for example, current user. Okay, current user there. Current user equals to, I'm using here the object called, see that first name, colon. Generally, we are going to use it first name is Kishore. Okay, put a comma there. And the last name, I'm using it here. This. Okay, last name I'm using here, Babu. Okay, man. That's a function. Sorry, that's the object that we created there. Here, we will see. You will see the traditional JS how we have written there, and we are going to see how we can write in the modern JavaScript also there. Right? For example, let me take that the console.log. See that console.log. I'm using it here. Console.log, and I'm writing the single quotes. They are the single quotes. I'm writing in the traditional script. Okay, singles, because if you want to print those, you need to use the single quotes like this, right? You can say, okay, the current user, okay, current user is not, see, current user is not available there. I'm writing this. Current user is not available. We can see that output how we are getting this. Current user is not available. I will let this user as a. I want to highlight that user there. How to highlight here is like look at that backward slash single quotes. Okay, and again backward slash. Okay, there is a single quote there. We know to use it. See that the current user is not available there. Okay, or the current user is not available. After that, I'm writing here. Who is that current user there? Plus, right? Plus object of
First name.
yes. Okay, object name dot first name is already there. See that?
Yeah.
Current user is not available here is Kishore. Right? It is a traditional JS. Where is in there here? What is a traditional JS? Got it? The same thing that I want to write with the modern JavaScript here. With modern JavaScript, I want to use it here. How we can use it here in a modern JavaScript? Okay. See, man, always these string interpolations, okay, that we are using it here, that you want to display the result, we are going to use it here based on, look at that, based on backticks, okay, to display it here, that you want to display that variable values there here, right? We are going to use the dollar open and closing. This is the thing that we are going to use it here for this. Dollar open and closing there. So there inside this, you can write the properties or the variables, you can use it here inside this. Did you understand? Dollar, look at that. I think you can see there, dollar open curly braces there. So this one we are going to use it here, this, right? This one we are going to use it here there. Because in the above, you can see we are using every time plus symbol, current user dot first name, like this we are going to use it here this. Okay, in the single quotes we need to use it here there. Okay, single quotes, here also single quotes we are going to use it here every time, right? No, not like that. Okay, and this much of procedure is not needed there in this dollar open and closing curly braces there. Okay, let me go for displaying the same thing by using the modern JavaScript there. Console dot log, I'm writing here. Okay, inside this, I'm using man, not single quotes, backticks I'm using there here. Look at the backticks. Okay, backticks. The current user, are you getting?
Yes.
For the current user, you do the same thing there if you want. If you want, you can use it here. The current user, okay, is not available. Current user is not available up to this. Okay, what is that here? Come out of this. Don't come out of this backticks, man. Okay, here we are coming out of the single quotes. We are writing there here. No, everything that you should write inside the backticks only. Are you getting?
Yeah.
Here we have the single quotes. We are coming out of the single quotes and we are writing there plus the object dot the property we are writing there. Right? But here in the backticks, everything that you have to write inside the backticks. That's all. Right? How to write here this? I'm using it here this. Okay, dollar. Right? Open and closing curly braces. Here we are going to write that object name dot. You can see the first name is detention.
Yeah.
Are you getting the same result or not?
Yeah, same.
Okay, the same result you are going to get here this. Look at that. Okay, but it is a modern JavaScript here. So it's a modern JavaScript.
Okay.
Modern JS, we are going to use it here this. Okay, the main thing will be in the string interpolation, we can say, okay, string interpolation. The main thing that we need to understand here, okay, in the tabulated literals, the main thing we need to understand there, okay, writing dollar open curly braces there with the backticks. Okay, with the backticks there here. That's the meaning. You can say it. Come here there. Display this. What I said? This one. Okay, they are the backticks there here. Okay, and that one like this we are going to use it. And now now we can suppose the same example we can write in different way also there. This one is an example that here we can write in different way also there, like if we come here there what you can do. Let me do it from the traditional JS in different ways. Okay, because we have used here already last name also there here. That's fine. The current user. Okay, you can say not current user there. I'm going to write like this. This entire thing there. What we are going to use it here is within the single quotes. You can see my first name is there. My first name is, I'm writing like this. Okay, my first name is there, plus current user dot first name. I can write here this. Okay, if I want to display the next line there, that I want to display the last name, I'm going to display the next line. Okay, what you can say, plus backslash, and I'm writing there here. Can I write like this or not? Hello. Everyone is getting what I'm trying to do?
Yes.
Okay, see this one? I'm writing like this. Okay, and I'm taking the single quote here. This you can see that. Again, here what I'm trying to there, backward slash, and I'm writing there. What you can say? What you can say? My last name. You can see that. My last name. My last name is. My last name is. I'm writing there here. Like we can see there. What's my last name there? What we can use it here is plus in this one. First name is Kishore and my last name is, I'm writing there here. But you can see plus this current user. See this one dot the last name there. You can see. Can I write it or not? Everyone's getting?
Yeah.
Right? We can use
1
like
minute, sir. I am confusing this 1 minute. My first name is okay, current. Yeah. Then after we use hash and n, my last name is current.
yes. We are getting that one there. Got it? Arishan? Like this, we are going to use it.
We breaking slash n.
Yes, exactly. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we can see it here. That's okay. That's a traditional one we are using it. Okay. Yeah. Suppose copy this code. This is a different, the same example, but a different way they have this. Okay, but it's a traditional there. Let me use it here one more time. Say that console dot log. Console dot log. Okay. For example, I'm using the backticks there here. Like I want to display different lines one by one there here. I'm taking that line 1. Okay, space, press on the enter button. Line 2. Okay, space, press on the enter button. Line 3. Right? Space, you can see. If you want to display the output like this, line 1, line 2, line 3. Are you getting?
Yeah.
Okay, like this we can use it here. Or we can say console dot log. I can use it here. What is it? Console dot log. Okay, backticks I'm using it here. Backticks. My first name is. You can use it here. Like this. Dollar. Open and closing curly braces. My first name is. You can say current user. Current username dot first name. See that? Like this, I'm going to use it. My first name is current user dot first name there. Okay, and after that you no need to provide /n. Here, what we can say, keep your cursor there, give some space. After that, you can press directly on the enter button here. This, but you can say my last name is like this. You can write it. Are you following me?
Yes,
Hello.
yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
my last name is there. What you can see, my last name. Suppose dollar. Okay, open and closing curly braces. I can say that the current user. Current. I can say that current user. Okay, dot last name. Now you see this.
Yeah.
See, the result is same for this
Same.
traditional and modern. Result is same.
Dollar symbol. Yes.
Are you getting it or not?
Yes.
But this is the simplest way that we can use it here in the modern JavaScript. Dollar open closing curly brace. We are going to use it here. That is the meaning of it. Okay.
Yeah.
You can see it. You can use it here. That's the thing there. Okay. Now
Yeah.
let me go for another example for this. Like we can see it here. I'm writing here const name. I'm not using any object there, right? Name equals to, you can say Kishore. Okay, man, and keep it here. Again, const I'm taking here, and the age is equals to 38. I'm taking here again const. Okay, some result we need to get here. What is the result? Const will be greetings first. Greetings is that. Okay, I'm taking that variable there. Look at here. That equals to, I'm using backticks I'm using there. Right? Some formula or some type of the string interpolation I'm using there. Look at that. Hello. My name is. You can say that. Dollar open closing curly braces. What you can say? Can I write the name here or not? Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. My name is. Right?
Yes. Name.
You can use it, yes. After that, and I can write this. And age is and
Dollar.
or we can say dollar open closing. Okay,
Age.
age I'm writing there. Age. Okay. Years old. Years old. Like this, I'm going to write here. See this one? Okay. What you're getting? See, it is only that we have written there. Okay, this one we have to display there. How to display there? Console.log. Which one?
Greeting.
Greetings there. Here. See that? Hello, my name is Kishore and 30 years old. 38 years old. Did you understand now? Clear cut?
Yes.
Yeah. This one also that we can use it. And that is another example there. Okay. Right. Like we can see it here. This you can take it here. This. See different approaches. I'm showing it here. And the string interpolation or the string interpolation. I'm showing the different approaches there here. That is another example. Okay, and we can use there some other. We can go for like suppose I'm taking here again. Look at that constant const a equals to 10. I'm taking this here. The const b I'm taking here 5 there. Look at that. I'm going to write here the console.log. I'm writing this here. Okay. See, both we will use it here. For example, in the traditional way, how we can add these two values there and how much you are getting there. In the modern way, also we will use it here. For example, let me take the traditional way. I'm taking the single quotes. Okay. The value is what you can say. If you want to write in a traditional JavaScript there, Within that single quotes, right? Within the single quotes, what you are writing here? Okay, plus I can say here a plus b, like this. We are going to use it here. The value is how much you are getting? Hello. See, if you want to add these two values a plus b here in the traditional JavaScript, we can use like this.
Yeah.
Okay, right? And it is, suppose if it is not the other value there, and you can say and not, I'm writing there. Not means here. We can say and we can do like this backward slash, and we can write here this not. You can see like this. We are going to get here this not the value of the value of some other any calculation. You can take it here this like what you can say plus. I can say some formula, for example 2 into a plus b. I can use it here this a plus b. You get that? Some formula. Okay, its result is 25, not sorry, its result is 15, not 25, not the value of 25 there. What I want, what is there in my thought? Okay, I want to display the exact result, not other value there here. Are you getting?
Yeah.
It is example formula. Anything you can write here this thing, not other one there, right? Like this, I want to use it here. This, right? It is a traditional one there, man. Right? It's a traditional JS. I'm using it here. It's a traditional JS. Traditional JS we are using there, but in the modern JS, console dot log we can use it here. Okay, what we can use it here? Take the backticks. The value is what is it? Dollar open closing curly braces. Simply you can write here a plus b. Are you getting simply a plus b or not?
Yeah.
Okay, and not if you want to write in the next line there here not
the value of
the value of
dollar a plus
dollar dollar open closing curly braces there. You can say simply there 2 into a plus b. See this? Are you getting that or not?
Yeah.
Okay, like this you can write this. Okay, that's another example. You can use it here. Right. We can use it. Suppose in the string interpolation, I want to use the expression there here. We can say expression interpolation. Okay, expression interpolation there here. Expression interpolation, the same thing we are going to use it here. This. Okay, for example, so this one also will come to the same. Okay, expression interpolation. Expression interpolation. Okay, what is that? Expression, these are the expressions we are going to use it here. Let me take one more example based on the same expression interpolation there. I'm taking here, for example, look at that. You see, const, I'm taking the number 1. Okay, number 1. Correct? Number 1 equals to 10. I'm taking here the constant. Number 2. Number 2 equals to 5. Okay, man. Next, I want to take the result here. Again, take the constant. Okay, that result equals to, I'm writing here in the backticks. I'm writing there. I'm framing the formula there itself. Okay.
Yeah.
What is that? Dollar. You can see
number 1 10 plus 5 and number 1 plus number 2.
Okay, number 1 plus here. What you can do? Dollar again number 2. Are you getting or not? Right? Can I write the expression here or not? Is it expression or not? Look at that. Now, what will you write here is console dot
log results.
log. Console dot log. I'm writing there here. What is the console dot log here? The result I'm taking there here. This. See that? Did you understand? Okay. Number one and number two means 10 plus 5. But result we need to get here. There you can write, for example, equals 10 plus 5 equals. We need to add those things there. How to add there? Dollar. Okay. I'm taking here this number one. Okay. Plus number 2 there. Can I do this? Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Like this, we can use it here. Number plus number there here. We can add that number. Another example. This is another example. We can use it here if you want. Okay, man. And we have in this one multi-line strings also there here. This multi-line strings also there here. If you want, you can use that. Multi-line strings also there here. What are the multi-line strings here is? Suppose I'm going to use it here like multi-line strings. Const, I'm taking some message for instance. Okay. Message equals to, and the backticks I'm taking there is this is LWC training. Okay, and you can see that come here there, and I'm writing one more thing there. And this training is provided by DURGASOFT. DURGASOFT. Okay, I'm taking the multi-line strings there here. How many lines are there? There were
2 lines.
Right, 2 lines are there. Let me go for this one. I'm going to use it console dot log. I'm going to display here this one. See this? Are you proud in the? Are you getting the multi lines?
Yes.
Okay, I'm taking here the message inside the backticks. There is a backtick symbol, right?
Yeah.
Like this. This will come under the multi-line strings. We can use it here. Multi-line strings. Okay. There is getting.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, and nesting templates also we can use it here. What are the nesting template letters there? Nesting, for example, see, nesting means a loop inside another loop. Do you know that nesting means?
Loop.
Okay, a loop inside another loop, a value inside another value, a function inside another function. Like this, have you heard it? A function inside another function, a value inside another value there. Nesting means looping.
Okay.
Okay, like this, how we can use that? Nesting template letters there. Template letters. Okay, how we can use that? Nesting template letters there. For example, I'm taking like this. What is that? Constant. I'm taking the name equals to, you can say name equals to Kishore. Okay, after that, put here again, I'm taking the constant age, and the age equals to 38. Okay, and I'm taking the constant, some details I'm taking this. Okay, these details we are going to display there here. Details equals to take your backticks. Name I'm writing here. How to write the name? Open and closing. Sorry. Dollar. Open and closing. What you can say? Can I take the name? Comma. Age. Age. How we are going to write the age here? This name is this one. Okay. Age. How we can write here? This again. Dollar. Open and closing. age I'm writing it here. Okay, and comma, look at this carefully. Comma, again I'm writing here dollar. Okay, dollar. In this dollar open closing, inside this already it is one backtick, is right? Already it is one backtick. Okay, see that inside this I'm writing another backtick.
Yeah.
Are you following me?
Yes.
Okay, you can say hello. Hello. Again inside this. Okay, inside this I'm writing there here. Again, dollar means the nesting. I'm doing the nesting there here. Okay, inside a function, another function. Inside a variable, another variable. Are you getting? Like this,
Yeah.
I'm going to use it here. Okay, again, dollar. You can see that I'm using the name. See this? You understand or not?
Yeah.
How many times the backtick is used there?
2 times.
2 times there. But here inside this backtick again, I'm using this dollar open closing variables. Okay, man. After that, the console dot log.
Details.
We can see it here. This. The details we are going to get it here. Look at that. And we'll get in the details. See that? Name Kishore is okay 38. Hello, Kishore. Are you following it up? Any
Yes.
confusions? Any
No
confusions?
confusion.
No
1
confusion.
minute. 1 minute.
Right. Now we can use it here. Okay. See, if you learn those things, LWC will become very easy. If not, what I am doing, you can understand. But when you come to with your own, it is not possible to write the programming in LWC. Understand? Okay, that's the thing. Okay, man. And Stephen, generally, we are going to use it here. When you come to the picture, right? If you want to learn the things from LWC there, right, man? Many things that we are going to use it here in this. Like we can say many things in the sense here related to the subject I'm saying there here. Okay, related to the subject like we have string methods also there here. String methods are there. Okay, I think you might have heard the string method there, like it contains, includes, index of, starts with, ends with, slice to lowercase to uppercase. Okay, trim, like this, those things we are going to use it here. There, those things we are going to use it here generally. Okay, so that also we need to discuss there in this concept here. That also we need to discuss there. Many things are there that we need to discuss here. And if you come to, for example, array methods are there, promises are there, like we can say events are there, set timeout and set time intervals are there, query selectors are there. Are you getting? And we can say arrow functions are there here, spread operators are there. Some of the things what we can say destructing is there here. Okay, already string interpolation that we discussed there already. Okay, and one more thing is object methods are there here, right? It's just I need only 2 classes to discuss all these things there. Another 2 classes of that we will enter into the programming level. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, I am did trainings in Apex and triggers.
Come again.
Sorry.
Come again.
Actually, I took trainings in Sydney. They gave boot camps trainings. In that, I learned Apex training and triggers, but not full flex. It's okay. I understand.
Okay. Oh, is it?
Yeah, actually, LWC, many jobs they're asking LWC, but
you know, LWC is mandatory for nowadays.
Yes.
Every project is there on the LWC now at present. Not even on the Lightning Aura, not even on the Classic. You cannot find the jobs there. But you are going to find the jobs on LWC only.
Yeah, if I learn LWC, another thing, triggers Apex also, I will practice more.
No, see, triggers we can write in Classic, Salesforce Classic. Triggers we can
Yes.
write in Lightning Aura. Triggers we can write in LWC also there. Okay, everywhere the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, everywhere. That may be Classic, Lightning, or LWC. Triggers are same. Bash
Yeah.
Apex is same. Test cases are same. All are same there. Got it?
Yeah. But in LWC, in the middle, we can use triggers. Apex, I know we use in
Yeah,
LWC.
triggers also you can use there.
Okay.
Triggers also you can use it here. This. Got it?
How
All in
to
the
practice triggers actually?
in LWC.
Yeah, LWC,
We are
anything.
getting. We have not started programming. Once the programming started, everything I'm going to discuss there. Got it? To
Yeah.
understand the programming, I'm saying all these things there. Understand?
Yes, I will revise.
Okay. Please revise those things there. To understand all those things, I'm saying those things there. See, everywhere you are using this type of things there. Okay. String interpolation is very, very important. If not, you cannot understand the programming. What's the difference between the null and undefined there? Arrow functions, spread operators, destructing, right? String methods there, like object methods. So those are mandated to write the programming in the LWC. Got it?
Yeah, one question, another question.
Yes.
Usually, LWC we use applications and job. Main purpose what? Actually, UI, I know user interface.
Yes, LWC is mainly used for the mobile applications. Mobile applications, and those applications are web-based applications are there. For that, we are using the LWC. Just like Lightning Aura only there. Just like Lightning Aura. But the thing is there, for performance, it is that we need to consider the performance. Performance is more in LWC compared to the Lightning Aura, because LWC is mainly depends upon the latest web stacks there. Web standards are web stacks. For the first web standard, ECMAScript 6. Are you getting? Okay, that's the reason it is very fast compared to the Lightning Aura. Got it? Both are single base. SPA means single base application we are going to create here there. Okay. Yes. I'm leaving there. Yeah, sure. Bye bye. See you.
Bye.